This is just to document things for myself, really. This is the back end of the Fiat Doblo wheelchair accessible vehicle. This back panel is going rusty along the bottom edge. As you can probably see, I've rubbed it down with a wire brush on an angle grinder, got it down to bare metal on the rusty areas certainly, and scuffed up the good paint on the other areas. And I'm now just trying to put some more paint on top. I'm using this stuff from Lidl, I think it is. I thought I had some of the smooth right, sort of fake smooth right that they do, but I haven't got any of that. Not in the right colour anyway. So I'm putting on some of this, which I have, aluminium zinc spray. So give that a go as a primer, and then put some black gloss lacquer on top of that. So that's the plan. Okay, let's try some of the black. Okay, so I've used this Powerfix coloured lacquer. I've used pretty much the whole tin, so probably about 6 coats. So hopefully that'll stop it rusting at least. The finish isn't brilliant, but at least it hasn't covered the areas where the rust has been, the steel has been eaten away by the rust. That's still lumpy, obviously, but otherwise it looks okay. So I have to leave that for a while because the lid, the boot lid or rear door, has got a rubber strip along the edge which will run along here. So I'll leave it to dry before I shut the door. Actually, I'm going to turn it round so I get this black paint in the sun, which should speed up the drying of it.